This is a superb dash cam, or dash cam, yeah, I guess that's what we'd call it, from VIOFO, or VIOFO, I don't know how it's pronounced. Behind the red here is Stickum. This gets stuck on the window. It has this sort of stationary front view, very good resolution camera. And then it has this inside the car camera and potentially a rear view, depending on whether you use this to give rear view or whether you install what comes with it, which is a separate little camera. That separate little camera is right here. This is the rear view camera. Again, it installs with a Stickum pad that's right underneath that red piece. Nice connecting systems for your in here to connect to your cigarette lighter. Comes with a USB-C to USB-A adapter here in case you don't have a USB-C but you have a USB-A end on your, you see what I mean? Somewhere in your car. I know my car has a USB-A port but no USB-C, and this requires USB-C, which isn't, I think, in the short run somewhat of a deficit because not most cars are stuck on USB-A, but in the long run it's better to have USB-C because everything's going that way. This little tool for sticking these cords in underneath the ceiling liner and things like that. A card for recording on. Just and then a few things to note about this. This is the rear view camera that is integrated into the main unit. You're going to want to make it sure it's not blocked by the rear view mirror, which is where you usually put this sort of in front of the rear view mirror on the windshield. Notice that this moves. You can adjust it, and it moves backwards and forwards. The whole unit adjusts, and that little camera does so separately. So you can move it like this and adjust the front view camera, but you can also adjust the rear separately and side to side. Just a great little unit.